What's up folks, Trill here, better known as Budget Bill, and today I am going to show you how to start investing with no money in 2020. Yes, the reason I want to cover this video is because I think investing is an important part of life, and without it, most people are not going to be able to achieve their goals in life. I know when I was growing up, all I knew was to go to school, go to college, graduate so I can get a good job and be able to live happily ever after. Well, I accomplished all of those things, and I consider myself of having a pretty good job, and I probably couldn't be doing what I do now without a college degree. However, everything I learned in college has nothing to do with my current profession. But my line of work does require the minimum of a college degree. So without that, I would be doing something totally different. One thing I realized as I was getting older was that no matter how much you make, you must invest your money in various ways to have your money work for you. It's sort of like a legal advantage. Some people refer to this as pay yourself first methodology. I must admit, I never knew exactly what those words actually meant until just last year. I used to think it meant that to take 10% and pay yourself first so you can do whatever you want to do with that 10%. Such as enjoying life. It was always confusing to me because I thought that was so backwards to give myself money to blow off before everything else. I was like, this is ridiculous. But I never took the time to look it up to see exactly what it meant. Now, I will admit that even though I didn't know what pay yourself first meant, I was actually saving my money from every paycheck for the future. So I have been doing this since I was 12 years old when I sold candy in school. I was very proud of myself back in those days as a 12-year-old kid making $50 per day or $250 per week. Back then, that was more money than some people earned from their professional careers. Oh goodness, I might have just told my age. But enough of all of that. Let's go ahead and jump into how you can invest today with no money. DJ Slizzy Slim, go ahead and drop that intro for me. What's up folks, and thanks for sticking around. So I thought I would turn this into a video since a few of my friends have been asking me, what stocks do you invest in? Or how do you analyze your stocks that you want to buy? Or how to even buy stocks? So instead of repeating myself over and over again, I figured I could just make a video about it and share it with everyone. But today I want to talk about two opportunities on how you can start investing today for free or no money, just by signing up. You know how these companies are doing today. They want to entice you with something to get you to sign up with them in hopes that you partake in some of their other options that they have to offer in the future. Companies spend millions of dollars every year on marketing expenses to attract new customers. And it doesn't really matter how they do it as long as they can gain or attract new customers. Whether they pay millions of dollars to TV stations for ads to attract new customers, or they go the new route, which is use the word of mouth and offer people something for free to get you to sign up. They're still spending millions of dollars to attract you or new customers. It's all the same. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and talk about the number one option who changed the game back in 2013 for investing, and that company is Robinhood. Robinhood has successfully grown to be one of the top financial services companies when it comes to trading securities, options, and ETFs because they undercut everyone on day one by offering zero commission trades. This in turn attracted a lot of millennials and others to join their platform by offering a way to save a significant amount of money per year for active traders, as they no longer have to pay $7 to $10 per transaction when buying stocks or securities. Robinhood is my number one suggestion when starting to invest because when you join Robinhood using someone's referral, you will receive a free stock share valued between $2.50 to $200. This is how you can start investing today with no money. All you have to do is sign up by filling out a brokerage application, and once that application is approved, they will deposit your free random stock into your account. At that point, you now own a portion of a company. You should feel proud of yourself. It's definitely a great way to start your investing. And what a great way to kickstart your investing account with a stock that won't cost you any money. That is an amazing offer. That free stock can potentially grow 500% over the next 5 years. You just never know. And with all stocks, you just never know as well. Me myself, I personally use Robinhood for my long-term account for buying and holding stocks for the future. So I definitely recommend you to sign up with them, which is super easy, and their mobile app is sweet and simple and straight to the point. It's a very user-friendly app. Now, I don't use them as my day-to-day trading, as the app is not as fluid as buying and selling options as I do. But that's not what Robinhood was built for. It's built for people to be able to buy and sell stocks or securities and don't have to pay commissions on those purchases. So you can potentially purchase one share and you don't have to pay a commission fee to be added on to that particular share price. So whatever you pay for the share is the exact price that you'll have to pay. And that was the purpose of Robinhood. But Robinhood is an amazing app, and I definitely recommend it to everyone. If you already have another investing app that you use, I have over 6 different investing accounts alone, so adding Robinhood is not a bad idea. Now, if you are interested in receiving the free stock, I will include my referral link down below in the description. Now, to be fully transparent, if you use my referral link, we both receive a free stock. So we both win, and that's a great way to support this channel, along with hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you don't use my referral link or someone else's referral link and you just sign up on Robinhood's website, then you won't receive the free stock. So you definitely want to be mindful of that. Now, moving over to my number 2 option today is with a company called Webull. Webull was founded in 2016 and is one of the newer platforms that have recently gained a lot of attraction. I signed up with Webull way back when they first launched simply because they offered an option for paper trading securities. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with paper trading, it is a simulated trading that allows investors to practice buying and selling securities without risking real money. Basically, they will give you like a $100,000 in your paper money account, and you can basically buy and sell securities at any given time and see if you can actually make money. I think Webull is a great platform, and their mobile app is pretty sweet, as their charting and technical analysis options they offer are pretty robust. As your investing grows over the years, you will learn more and more about movement and price action, and using their mobile app will really help to advance your knowledge while using their charting tools on their platform. Another way to receive free stocks is if you sign up with Webull using my referral link. If you use my referral link and complete a brokerage account application and become approved, you will receive 2 free stocks. Now, that's twice as much as Robinhood offers, but Webull is a little bit different when obtaining the free stocks. So let me explain. Once you open up your account with Webull and you're approved, you will receive your first free stock between $2.50 up to $250. And then after you deposit any amount of money to your account, you will receive your second free stock between $12 and $1,400. Who could use a $1,400 stock security for free? Do I have any takers? So just make sure you immediately deposit $5 into your account to complete everything and receive your 2 free stocks. Come on, bro, you got $5, right? Now, real quick, when I signed up for Webull using someone else's referral link that I got from someone's YouTube channel years ago, I received a stock called Tiva. The stock security was basically free for me just because I used someone's referral link. At the time when I received this free stock, the stock was trading at $7.68. Since then, the Tiva stock has increased over 59% and is now worth $12.23. I know, this doesn't sound like a lot of money to you, but keep in mind, I didn't have to pay for this stock. It was totally free. Now think about it. How many of your friends can you refer to Webull and Robinhood? The numbers can really add up, and it's all free. We love free stuff, right? I will include my referral link down below as well. Please keep in mind that all good things don't last forever. So you never know when the 2 free stocks will change to only 1 stock or just none at all. So you want to act fast if you are interested in receiving the free stocks. Did I mention that these stocks were free? Now, in 2020, most trading platforms offer 0 commission trades, so I didn't really discuss that in this video because all platforms are pretty much the same now, like E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, and many more. But the difference is that Robinhood and Webull are not as big as TD Ameritrade or BlackRock. However, Robinhood has become the #1 trading platform with over 10 million clients and $20 billion in asset management. And Webull has an estimated $4 billion in asset management as well. Now, I know one question that comes up a lot with me and other blogs and forums that I follow. Can I sell my free stocks when I receive them? And the answer is yes, you can. But typically you have to wait at least 2 days of receiving the free stocks before you can actually sell it. Also, you can withdraw your money that you deposit after it clears, which usually takes a few days as well. So those two options today are totally risk-free. And in our case, you have zero to risk and a whole lot to gain from the free stocks. Now, one encouragement I'd like to make to everyone to do this one thing. Now, before I tell you what this is, the requirement is that you actually have to open up one or both of these accounts mentioned today. So if you're still skeptical of receiving free stocks worth free money, then you probably can't participate in what I would like to encourage you to do. But for those of you that are ready to make that next step in their life and start thinking about the future, then this will definitely help you as you begin your journey of investing for the future. I would like to encourage each and every one of you to deposit $50 to $100 into your investment account to start your journey. Then find something that you use daily or weekly or just something you really have a passion for. Then purchase one share of that company as your first paid investment. So for example, if you love buying Starbucks coffee every morning, then purchase one share of it. Starbucks is currently trading at $86 per share. Or if you shop at Target or Walmart, buy one share of it. Target is trading around $115 right now, and Walmart is trading around $116 per share. Or if you purchase a ton of toiletries every year, then perhaps you want to buy one share of Procter & Gamble. Their stock is currently trading around $126 per share. But you get my point, right? Then plan to keep this stock security for several years. That's actually what I did years ago when I purchased the Target stock for around $55 or so, and it recently went up to $130 per share from their recent quarterly earnings report. In addition, be mindful of some of these securities actually pay dividends in which you can make additional money from the quarterly dividends that's paid out. Now, if you want to know what each stock security does pay out in dividends, you can check out thedividendchannel.com to see what each security actually pays in dividends per payout. That's definitely a good way for some of you to make some additional income as you continue to build up your investment account. So if you are ready to go ahead and start your first trading account and own your first share for free, be sure to click on the links down below in the description. And don't forget, these referral links do provide an incentive for both of us as we both earn free stocks. It's a win-win for everybody, and it definitely helps out with the growth of this channel. But I understand if you don't want to support this channel, that's perfectly fine. All I care about is that you start investing today. That's all that matters. Well, that's it, folks. If you've enjoyed the content in this video today, definitely give us a like, as it definitely helps out with the channel. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them down below in the comment section. I'll definitely be sure to respond to each and every one of you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for?
He ain't getting any younger.
Shut up, fool! Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. If you want to see more investing videos from Budget Bill, comment down below as well. I have a few things I could share with you, but I want to make sure that there is interest in those types of videos. Other than that, hey, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next video. Happy investing and peace.